Welcome home. This is the Irish Roots Cafe, where every day's a holiday and there's always room for one more. Come right in and have a seat with me today in that corner booth. Well, if you listened to our podcast in the past from at irishroots.com at the Irish Roots Cafe, you'll be familiar with those words. And I thought I'd take some time now to tell you a little bit about what the Irish Cafe is and how it can help you in genealogy and historical research concerning Ireland, Irish America, and the Irish throughout the whole world. I'm your host, Mike O'Loughlin. This is the first of a 14-part video series, and I hope you'll take the time to browse them all. The whole story really begins back in 1978 or so when I traced my family back to Counties Clare and County Kerry, just for starters, and that got me started on a career that all I can say really is a one-of-a-kind experience. Since then, I've produced over 60 books, and I've written a good percentage of those books. And that includes everything from the Annals of Ireland by the Four Masters, the Connellan translation, and the 34-book set, the Irish Families Project, which is a 34-book set on Irish family history. Now, you can see all these books also on our webpage, and they're all over the web too, so they shouldn't be too hard to find. We also produced a series of podcasts, which are like radio shows, I guess you might say, and we try to gather together all the dancers, historians, and everyday Irish that we can to help introduce you and everyone else to the Irish heritage, or to share it with you. And most importantly, we invite you to come along to the shows and to contribute your thoughts. Maybe you can tell us what the Irish did in your area, what they're doing today, and what Irishmen helped settle that area a couple of hundred years ago. We really want to hear that. Well, go ahead, sing your song, ask for genealogy help, tell us about the Irish in your area. It's all for fun and it's all for free at the irishroots.com University.